Hi guys, listen here, I'm so sorry for not making any videos today, but please do show this video to your kids, because this is exactly why parents say and ask their children not to smoke, but they never give them a reason why, and then the kids go ahead and do it anyway. Um, this is my hair. It fell out recently in my recovery, but it grew back. It grew back, but I'm always hiding it away. Like that. Then you can't see it. My hairline used to be way back there, but it's growing back because I used to tighten my hair like this onto my head every day, so tight. And that's what made my hair maybe perhaps fall out like that. I don't know. I think it's an immune reaction, an immune system reaction, or something like that. Because every time I eat, I do get an allergic reaction. But this is not the reason why I'm here. The reason why I'm here is to say that I'm quite sick today. Um, and it can only be one of three things. Either it's black mold, because I did sleep in a room with black mold above my head, or fungus, black fungus, um, because I was in a government hospital and the girl there did have fungus. And then the third one is it can be my smoking. But this is what I'm coughing up, and I did go to hospital and I did spit, and they checked for TB. They said no, I don't have TB. They gave me the 6 months TB tablets to prevent it. So if I do happen to stumble across someone who has TB while I'm going to buy my drugs that time, because I was a high risk because of the places I went to go and buy the drugs. So yeah, I did take my 6 month courses. So, and halfway through in the third month, I started getting an allergic reaction to the TB tablets, so they stopped it immediately because it's like antibiotics. It's a yellow tablet, one yellow round tablet they wanted to give to me so that I don't get, and if I do get it, my body can fight it. But they did test, and the tests came back. They did blood tests as well, and the tests came back inconclusive. So they don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. I'm only assuming I know what it is, but I would really like to know, and that's why I am trying to gather my strength to go to the hospital again. But it takes a lot of strength and effort to go to the hospital, because you are going to wait hours and hours and hours for them to help you, and then they're just going to send you home with pain tablets, which I in any case have a lot of proof of, because when I went for my pylon surgery, that is exactly what happened. Yeah, but this is how it looks like. Don't know how to show it to you guys. It's concerning. Also, the camera makes it look different, but it's a lot darker than that. It's like that dark. I'm just gonna have to wash my hands after this, but good night, you guys. I hope you had a wonderful day today, or evening, or morning, whatever it is, whenever it is, whatever it is, there by you guys today. From me, Monique. Bye.